there guys, welcome and welcome back to my channel Girl Next to the Side. I hope you all are doing well. So today I'm going to share a very amazing recipe that you can create at your home. The recipe to create coffee scrub, which is going to remove all the tan. Because it's summer, we all know how much tan we are going to become, right? So in the summer, it's very important that you use a product on a regular basis, at least 2 to 3 times in a week, which is going to scrub away all the dust, the dirt, the tan, as well as do an amazing job of exfoliation. And by the time you're done with this video, I can promise you, you're never going to buy the M caffeine coffee scrub, because that is exactly something that I'm going to show you in this video using ingredients that are right there at your kitchen. Okay, so let's get started. So to make this coffee scrub, let's look at all the ingredients first, right? So first things first, we would need an empty bowl like this. Okay, it's not a bowl but just a container, empty container which had some dried fruits. So yeah, and after that we will definitely need some coffee. Coffee is that ingredient which is going to remove the tan and the dead skin, okay, and to give that texture of the coarseness, that will be done by sugar. So we will be needing some sugar as well. And for moisture, we will be needing coconut oil to give the coffee scrub the texture that we want. And to make it creamy, we are going to use some shower gel. I'm choosing this shower gel. This was something that was just lying around there. And we are going to use a very important thing, which is honey, right? So honey is that ingredient which is a humectant as well as antibacterial. Honey is going to make sure that you are going to get rid of all the bad smell, the bacteria which causes the bad smell, as well as it's a humectant, which means that it is going to trap the moisture and keep your skin very hydrated. So let's get started. So first I'm going to use some coffee that I don't think I will be drinking. So one big tablespoon I have taken. To this I will add my sugar. One spoon, two big spoons of sugar, and then we will adjust based on how the texture is becoming. Okay, so next I'm going to put some, this is coconut oil, by the way. This is coconut oil that I bought from Akshay Kalpa. Very pure, very good quality. That's why this is my first choice whenever I'm trying out anything with regards to coconut oil. So I'll be adding the coconut oil here. As I said, we can adjust the quantities. We are going to add the honey now. Be generous, guys, when you're adding these, because this is something you'll be using on your skin. And now I'm going to use the shower gel. This shower gel has a lemony smell, citrusy smell, so it's going to add all the freshness that is required during the summer season. So now let's mix and see how the texture is coming. See how it's turning out? It's beautiful. This has become slightly more liquidy that we wanted to. So I'm gonna add a little bit more coffee to this. And a bit more of sugar. If you make it very runny, it's only going to get wasted in your shower, right? So you have to hit that right texture. And then just mix. So keep mixing and mixing, and as you go about it, just keep adding little bit more coffee, little bit more sugar, until you reach a texture like this. Okay, until you reach a texture like this, which is not that runny, which is not that thick. Okay, and once you get a texture like this, as you see here, our coffee scrub is ready. Whenever you are into the shower once or twice a week, you can just add it. You can just rub your whole body with this mixture. And since this already contains shower gel, it's gonna act like your shower gel as well. So you don't have to again shower after this. So after you use this, wait for, just rub your entire body with this for 5 minutes, and then you can wash it off, and you will end up with great moisturized skin, that too completely tan free. So I hope that you enjoyed the video. I hope you learned something. This coffee scrub is going to remove all the tan, the dead skin, and whatnot, and that too, at a price that you're not even paying, because everything is at your home. So if you enjoyed the video, please do hit the subscribe button. Please do like it and share it with your friends. Comment down below if you have used the recipe and you found it helpful, and also give me more ideas on what I can make videos on, and that's gonna be mean the world to me. Thank you so much. Have a great day. Bye.